So you have three things which you can select as an offer, right? Like one, you can help people who want to get into a job, or people who are already in a job and want to change careers, or you can have everything in one place. Is that correct?
Perfect.
Yeah. Okay. So the audience in this I don't recommend. Okay, it's not at all lucrative. Like if you say I'll help you with everything, whether you want to get a job or change a career, not lucrative. We are going into very generic kind of direction here. So in now you have two markets you can cater, and for both the markets I feel the audience is totally different. People who are trying to get their new job, first job, they are a totally different market. Maybe they are freshers, maybe they are mm,
If
they
I
are
may interrupt you, if I may
yeah,
interrupt you,
yes,
just a second, just
yeah.
to clarify the problem,
Mm-hmm.
both these markets also overlap to a certain extent, because people who are looking out for a career change will also be looking, maybe they will be looking for a new job also.
Yeah,
Sorry if
but
I did not
yeah,
explain
no,
that.
true, but if you have to select one audience, if I tell you to define the audience avatar, your audience avatar, pick one person and define. So yeah, how will you define the person who is looking for a new job?
He could be a fresher
Hmm?
out of campus, or he
Hmm?
could be a person who may have been laid off, or could be looking second, and third is a
Hmm.
person
No.
who could.
Again, you're mixing two audiences. He could either be a fresher or he got laid off. Pick one person. If you have to pick one person from the crowd, who will that be?
Second one, I guess.
Who got laid off?
Yeah,
Okay, these are two different audiences.
right.
Like even here also, yeah. So even if we talk about new job, we are talking about two different audiences. One is the person who is completely fresher out of the campus. He did not get campus placement and now he's looking for a job. Second
Uh-huh.
person, he was in a job, got laid off due to recession, due to corona, whatever it is. He has a lot of talents, he has a lot of experience, and now he don't know what to do, right? He already has an experience. So you have to pick one audience set which you want to help, because the messaging will be different, the strategies will be different, how you appeal to them will be different. And this is the audience is someone who is already in a job but looking to upgrade or shift to a different place or new technology. So these are three different audiences in my opinion. What do you think?
Yeah, maybe, but then some of the techniques which you will employ, whether you are in
Techniques,
the
yeah, true, techniques will be there, but when
similar.
you're writing a message,
Okay.
the techniques will be similar, but when you're writing a message you can't be vague that this is for freshers or people who got laid off. Instead, let's assume you pick one market, you just pick one market and you say that I'm helping people who just got laid off from their jobs because of coronavirus and now they are struggling. I help them get a job as quickly as possible, or I help them make money online, whatever it is. How lucrative will that be? You'll be the only person who will be speaking to this audience.
Uh,
Yeah.
yes, understood.
Yes, yeah. Or you pick one this audience. Like if you just graduated from college, but due to some bad luck you did not get selected in your campus placement, or your college did not have campus placement, you feel like you missed the chance where everyone had a good chance, and now you want to get a job, your first job, like job which you love. Then I'm the person to help you out. So again, you're the only person who are talking to their exact situation. So a lot of people will be very talented, they'll feel like I'm really talented but my college doesn't have campus placement, and you are there to help these people. So that's why you'll have to pick one audience to help them with, so that your message, your offer becomes irresistible to them.
So there could be three different target groups, right?
Yes,
In this case, three
yes,
different target groups, three different messaging, three different, let's say, way of, I mean, of course, way of reaching out to the Facebook group only, but
yes,
three different kind of webinars.
yes,
Three,
yes.
yeah,
So first, you could have three different courses also. Like
yeah,
you're
yeah.
the expert, you're the employability coach or expert, and you have three different courses, but you can't launch three courses at once. Initially you have to launch one course. So for you to launch one course, pick one audience to help them with. So now you know these three people. Who do you think you can help the most and get the results the fastest?
Okay. Okay. So I have to prioritize and then go ahead.
Yes, pick one audience. Think about it. See, the three criterias of a really good offer is first, you should be solving a problem. You should be able to give them a tangible solution, and they should be willing to pay, or they are capable of paying, right? So they have a pain or problem. You have a solution. You can give them a tangible and good measurable result, and they should be willing to pay, or they have the capacity to pay. So put all these audiences through these three criteria and see which one comes up on top. That should be your first offer.